Welcome, world explorers. Today, we will dive into the beauty and uniqueness of animals, which has accompanied humans for centuries, namely cows. Let's explore more about how cows have influenced our civilization and why they are so important in our daily lives. All over the world, cows have become a symbol of peaceful rural life and the importance of humans' relationship with nature. Enjoy this knowledge adventure, and may you be inspired by the wonders of the world of cows. Cow animals. Cows have the scientific name Bos taurus, from the Bovidae or Bovini family. Cows Bos taurus are one of the most important and widely cultivated livestock throughout the world. They have an important role in the history, culture and economy of many countries. The following is an in-depth explanation of cows. Physical characteristics. Cows have large bodies with short legs, thick necks, and wide bellies. The fur is usually brown, black, or white. Cows have a complex digestive system that allows them to digest grass and other plant materials efficiently. Habitat and distribution. Cattle are bred in various countries around the world, especially in areas suitable for grazing and animal husbandry. Cattle are usually found in pens or farms, designed to meet their food, water, and shelter needs. Dietary habit. Cows are herbivores that eat grass, straw, forage, other plant foods. With the ruminant digestive system, cows have fur compartments in their stomachs that allow them to properly digest plant fiber. Human use. Cows are used as a source, meat, milk, and other dairy products that are an important part of human diets around the world. Before the Industrial Revolution, cattle were used as labor in agriculture and transportation. Social behavior. Cows tend to live in groups or herds. They have a social hierarchy and often form strong social bonds. Cows communicate through sounds, tail movements, and physical contact such as licking or touching horns. Health and care. Cows require regular health care, including vaccinations, medical examination, and protection from parasites. Appropriate food and balanced nutrition are needed to maintain cow health and productivity. Environmental influence. Cow welfare and waste management from cattle farming have an impact on the carbon footprint and the environment. Cows not only provide economic benefits, but also have a role in maintaining agricultural sustainability and provide an important source of nutrition for the community. Therefore, continued attention is paid to ensuring well-being and the sustainability of the world's cattle population. Areas usually found cow animals. Cows Bos taurus can be found in various parts of the world, especially in areas that support agriculture and livestock. Here are some areas that are usually inhabited by cattle. South Asia. In countries such as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal, cows have an important cultural, economic, and religious role. In India, cows are considered sacred in some religious traditions and have special protection. Europe. Cattle are widespread throughout Europe, from countries such as France, Germany, England, and Ireland. Europe has various famous cattle breeds, such as Holstein for milk production and Angus for meat. Africa. Cattle are found in various countries in Africa, including Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, and Ethiopia. In some areas, cows are used as a source of milk, meat, and as working animals in agriculture. The areas above are only a small part of the areas where cattle can be found. The presence of cattle throughout the world reflects their adaptability to various climatic and environmental conditions, as well as their important role in supporting human life through the production of food and other resources. How to prevent extinction. Cow animals. Preventing the extinction of cattle involves a series of conservation efforts, resource management, and public awareness. Here are some ways to involve communities and organizations in efforts to prevent the extinction of cattle. Habitat protection. Establish a conservation area or national park to protect the natural habitat of cattle. Melakukan proyek restorasi habitat untuk memulihkan wilayah yang terdegradasi atau terancam. Sustainable agricultural practices. Develop and support organic farming that minimizes the use of chemicals and promotes animal and soil health. implement sustainable agricultural practices such as crop rotation, and sustainable land management to maintain soil fertility and the environment. Population management. Conduct regular monitoring of the cattle population to understand population trends, disease, and other health problems. Disease control. Carry out appropriate vaccinations and disease control to maintain the health of cattle. Animal welfare. Develop and enforce animal welfare guidelines that ensure ethical treatment and appropriate living conditions. Providing education to farmers about best practices in the care and management of cattle. Through a combination of these efforts, we can build a strong foundation for maintaining cattle populations and maintain genetic diversity, as well as supporting overall animal welfare. And that concludes our journey through the wonders of our incredible planet. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next exploration.